Hi and welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. This is a general picker card reading. Today we are asking spirits and guides how are they feeling about you right now. We have three piles. Pile 1 is amethyst, pile 2 is citrine, pile 3 is aventurine. Choose whichever group you are pulled to. See for the timestamps in the description box below. These are timeless general readings, so if you are drawn to them at any point of time, they are meant for you. Let's start with the reading. Welcome group 1. This is your reading, Amethyst, and we'll start with the reading as to how your person is feeling right now about you. If you like the reading, please like, share and subscribe. We'll start the reading. How are they feeling, spirits? Please tell me, how are they feeling? 7 of Pentacles. They are working towards this connection. Then we have the 4 of Wands. They are working towards this connection and they are planning to get you tied up with them. Knight of Swords. They are rushing in for you. They want to tell you everything clearly. They don't want to keep anything in anything from you. Knight of Swords. They believe in logic and clear communication. They are very straightforward and they don't believe in things. Now you have Page of Pentacles. They made an offer to you and it is they are going to message you regarding this connection. Let's see what else is there. 8 of Wands. They are working and they are bringing lot of to and fro messages for you coming in. This is a very your person is very focused and they know what they want. And the Moon card, which is keeping you in this is just your feelings which you are thinking too much, I guess. Some few things are in limbo right now, maybe for you. That is why you pull towards this reading, the Moon card. Or maybe you're dealing with a Piscean, because you have got only one major arcana, that is the Moon. Maybe you're dealing with a Piscean, strong Piscean energy here. Okay, we'll clarify a bit. You have beautiful reading by now. We'll clarify the Knight of Swords. What is the clarification or the news? And Page of Pentacles. What is the messages? Okay, we have 2 of Pentacles. They are juggling between something. The Fool. They are planning to take a leap of faith with you, and meanwhile they are juggling regarding this, juggling between some situation which they are stuck in, and they want to come out of it and take a leap of faith with you. Let's see if they know about this, about your person. Okay, we have a flipper here. Oh, we have too many. I'll just do them again. Okay, what is the Page of Pentacles therefore for group 1? 3 of Pentacles. Yes, they are working towards this connection. They want to marry you, very clear, or they want an engagement with you. They just want to make the relationship official with you, and they are ready to take the leap of faith regarding this connection. 2 of Wands. Again, that energy of waiting, and they need a little time regarding. We'll clarify moon now. The moon is clarified by Queen of Cups. A offer of love, very loving. They, oh my god, you have got sun clarifying the moon, which means there are things hidden which are going to come into light, and they are going to bring the truth to you. What is the delay in your relationship, or what are they holding back from you? You're going to get the clarification from them. Okay, now we'll see few messages from your person. Let's see what are the messages from their person, group 1 person. Messages for group 1 person, direct messages for group 1 person, what they feel and what they would like to tell the group 1 people. Okay, the first message out is, I need closure. Whoever this is, I think they are looking for a closure from a situation and want to walk towards you. They are waiting for a closure from a situation. I find you irresistible. They are looking for a closure and want to move forward you because they find you irresistible. I want to follow my heart. They want to follow their heart and make this correct. Whatever went wrong between you both, they want to correct it and they want to come towards you. And I think they are very clear now what they want, and they are very clear in their head regarding this. Your body drives me crazy. They have a lot of passion for you, a lot of passionate wands here. You're going to get a lot of messages from them to and fro. The communication is maybe a little bit weak now. It will be more than before. The next is love me like you do. They want you not to change and wait for them. They want your full support. I want a future with you. They want a future with you. Okay, group 1. These were the readings for you. Let's see, let's take few more. What is they are manifesting? What are their dreams they are manifesting regarding you? Their dreams regarding you. Goddess, healing feminine energy. They look towards you as if you are a goddess for them. Okay, we'll pull out another card for group 1. Self-confidence, strong self-belief and sense of worth. These are the manifestations they are doing towards this relationship with you. Okay, let's see what is the healing energy of this connection. Healing energy for this connection. Okay, develop flexibility and aim to be in harmony in all environments. This is the healing message for you. Develop the flexibility and aim to be in harmony in all environments. Okay, we will pull out one more message for you, group 1. Learn to keep your heart open and soft thoughts the trails of life. Learn to keep your heart open and soft through the trials of life. You have to be gentle on yourself as well as on the connection, and wait for the time. Everything is going to be fine with you. And we'll pull out some love messages. whispers of the love messages we'll pull out from them for group 1. Love messages for group 1. Love messages for group 1. Okay, we have get to know each other. Learn to meet another's need for love. This is a message for you, group 1. Learn to meet their needs, your needs. I mean, learn to know each other. The message for you. The next card, I'll pull one more card from love. Whispers of the love. Spiritual connection. The relationship has a relationship has a connection that goes beyond a lifetime. This relationship is a twin flame or past life relationship, which is very important for you, and you know it. Maybe this is a very important spiritual connection, and spirit is asking you to have faith in it and wait for them. Okay, we'll see what you have to surrender regarding this love situation. What is that you have to surrender regarding this love situation? Spirits and guides, please tell for the group 1 people what they have to surrender. Card you have got is surrender to miracles. Be open to miracles occurring in your life. Feel and know that these events are real. Let go of any resistance and banish any doubt that miracles can happen. This is a card for you. Your person is just coming forward to give you this miracle, and you have to just have faith that you are going to get this. And I think you know about this person, and you have met them already, and you're just doubtful that whether they will work it out or not with you. The next card we are taking, surrender your fear of intimacy. You are ready to let love in, compassionately identify and begin to release any patterns that stop you from opening your heart. This is a message for you, group 1. Surrender your fear for intimacy. You have to surrender the fears you have regarding this connection. There are miracles coming your way, and you are fearful of something which you have to get rid of and have faith in the relationship and the divine. Everything is going to be fine with you. Okay, we'll pull out some power of the love oracle. Power of the love oracle messages for group 1. Okay, power of the love messages for group 1. The first message is detachment. You are releasing old patterns and ideas that no longer serve your higher ideas of love. You have to release all the old patterns or old beliefs what you have been carrying throughout your life, and give this new love a new chance. This is a divine love connection. This is a miracle in your life. If you open your heart, if you open yourself to it, it will be a miracle in your life. Detachment. You have to detach something from your past. You have to detach from something in your past. Okay. The next card is, I've got 2 cards actually. Elevation. You are making the conscious decision to rise your vibration of love. The first card. You are elevating yourself from this because you are detaching from your past and moving forward. Humility. You have developed a loving awareness that you and everyone else are the same but on different paths. This is what you are coming to be aware of, that you all are in the same you have developed a loving awareness that everyone are same but their path is different. So you have to detach from that old path and go towards a new path which spirits are guiding you to move forward to. Okay, group 1, we'll pull out some initials, numbers and zodiacs. Let's see. initials are, to pull out few zodiacs, 3 zodiacs. And numbers. Okay, here we are. We have R, D, P, A, R, Z, again one more P, Y, K, we have B, another B, and H. These are the zodiac alphabets, which may be your initials, your person's initials. We have 5 numbers are 5, 1, 14, 4, 6, one more 5 here. We have 5, 5, 5 3 times, another 5. Something significant, maybe you are looking at lot of 5s, which is a transformation number as it is. So, and definitely you are transforming yourself from your past and looking to a new future which is unknown to you right now. The moon energy so shows that, but it is going to bring you happiness, which you have always manifested. You have zodiacs Leo, Sag, and Gemini. If you can see, I'll bring it towards the camera. This is Gemini, Sagittarius, and Leo. Okay, group 1, this is your reading, and I see you in the next reading. Please do like, share and subscribe if you like my reading. So, till then, thank you and bye-bye. Welcome group 2. This is your reading, and you have chosen the citrine crystal, which activates your solar plexus. Maybe you are pulled to activate your solar plexus chakra, and let's start with the reading. For group 2, spirits and guides, angels, please tell me how are their person feeling there for about group 2. How are they feeling about group 2 people? How are their person feeling about group 2 people? Okay, 9 of Wands. They are defending themselves from something. The situation, they are fearful of something. 10 of Swords. They are in pain. They are in lot of pain, and 10 of Swords says that this is the final, this is the ultimate, like they are so much, the pain is their ultimate, they cannot take any more further. We have 10 of Cups, but after the 10 of Swords, definitely there is a change coming in, and there is a lovely energy of 10 of Cups and 6 of Wands, victory. Beautiful reading. They are definitely defending themselves right now, but this is moving towards a victory, which is the connection itself is 10 of Cups, what they are aiming for with you. This next months are going to be very happy for you. There is no there is no doubt about this person that they are in love with you. And we have the Prince of Pentacles. Their messages, the Pentacles, they are working towards you, slow energy, but surely it is coming with a lot of stability. And the messages, young energy, but still they must be younger than you, maybe. Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. Beautiful cards, group 2. This is a wish fulfillment for you. Maybe this is a small offering which you are doubtful about, that too many cards. Will it work out or not? But they have lot of big plans for you. You don't have to be in doubt. This is the Page of Swords. Princess of Swords is the Page of Swords. The Prince of Pentacles is a slow moving energy, but yet they will reach there. They will work for the Ten of Cups. This is a very stable energy which is coming towards you. Then we have the High Priestess. This is a divine connection, and you are going to get your wish fulfilled, group 2 people. Just like the group 1 energy, this is also a very good connection. Right now you both are in defensive mode. Both of you are defending yourself, defending your connection, and you have like reached a point where you are just going to give it up. But Divine is telling you not to give up. This is a beautiful connection. Divine is asking you to wait for this person because they are coming towards you. Knight of Pentacles is a very stable energy which is going to get what they want. They are not going to back off. They have a plan for this. They have a plan for their Nine of Pentacles, wish fulfillment. Ten of Cups, happy home, happy life, what they look for with you. They are totally made up. They have totally made up their mind that you are the one for them. They have no doubts about it, and they are asking you to have patience with them. And the Page of Swords is a message card which tells me that you are going to get a message from them regarding this silence which they have been in, and they are asking you to, they will be asking you this message that you are not going to be misled. You are not misled by them. They are going to work towards this connection. This is a very strong reading and very strong connection. The Nine of Cups and Ten of Cups is beautiful energy, wish fulfillment. You are going to get what you want and what you have been dreaming of with this person. Okay, we'll see into some messages from your person. These are my cards made by me. Let's see what are the messages, what they feel about you. Actually, these are their feelings regarding group 2 people. Let's see what your person wants to say exactly right now. They are in deep pain exactly, and you are also defending yourself whether to wait or whether not to wait for them. But the reading and what they feel is they want to work it out with you. You take my breath away. They are totally awed by you. They are in love with you. You are worth fighting for. Yes, they are fighting. They are fighting for you. Six of Wands is a victory card. They are fighting for you. They want you, and you are worth fighting for them. Okay, then we'll see next card out. I need more time. They are asking for time. They want you to wait for them. Very beautiful, very clear cut message. You make my heart full. You are their wish fulfillment. They want nothing but you, and they want to work it out. Knight of Pentacles is an energy which will go till the end. But they will not leave any leaf unturned. I think you are too good for me. They think about you as you are too good for them. You are their wish fulfillment. Nine of Cups, Ten of Cups, you are their wish fulfillment. How can I ever pay you back? This is something you have done which something you have a strong connection which they want to pay you back for. This might not resonate with everyone, but definitely someone there out there, they know what they have done for their person and they want to pay you back. Okay, we'll see few messages. What are the messages for group 2 people? Message for group 2 people. Okay. Let love be your motivation for action. Let love be your motivation for action. Whatever you have felt with this person in the past was just, and the divine is just right, and the divine is asking for you to not doubt it. Know thyself. It is the most important task you have. You have to know yourself. You know exactly what and where you stand in this relationship. What is your action you have to take regarding this relationship, and you know it, but the doubt you are carrying with you maybe have to be dealt with. You have to clear all the doubts what you have. Okay, now we'll see the whispers of the love. Messages regarding love for group 2 people. Messages regarding love for group 2 people. Okay. The first message is the union of hearts. A love connection defies explanation. This is your reading, and exactly this card is total match with the reading. Group 2 people. This is a union of the hearts. This is a divine connection, a true soulmate energy or twin flame energy, you can say. Be authentic, be real and true to who you are and how you feel. Divine is asking you to be authentic. Your person loves you because of this, because of your authenticity, because you are yourself, because you love yourself and you love the world as it is, how it is. They love you for this, and the divine is asking you to be authentic, be what you are. That's why you are being loved, because of your, not because you are doubting yourself or you're doubting your person. No, you have to be firm in your decision. Okay, we'll see what you have to surrender regarding love. For group 2, surrender to setting limits. It is healthy to set boundaries in relationship. Practice expressing your needs and remember that no is a complete sentence. This may not resonate with each and everyone, but definitely where you are giving too much to someone, you have to withdraw that and you have to say no to that person or the connection, where you have to set limits in your relationship and be free. Maybe you are being too polite to someone. So we have the second card is surrender to your full power. Your life is calling for you to step into your full power rather than playing it small. They look at you as a very powerful person, but are you looking at yourself as a powerful are you using your full power? Are you not setting limits to yourself? I think this is a message from the divine, that you are somewhere, you are pulling yourself back and you have to use your full power and go towards this love connection. Okay, now we'll see what is the power of love activation cards telling you. Message for group 2. Power of love. Message for group 2. Empathy. You feel and understand the emotions of another in the service of love. Empathy. This is a message from the divine. And you have forgiveness. You are now able to activate the power of love in order to release past hurts. Whatever had happened in the past and whatever you did, you were doubting yourself regarding, you have to forgive them. Forgive the past, whatever is holding you back, or maybe the fear that the same mistakes will be repeated. You have to understand and forgive that whatever happened is not, everything is not the same, everything will not work out the same, everyone is not the same. This is different, this connection is different, and you have to forgive something which is gone by. Okay, group 2, we will pull out some numbers, alphabets and zodiacs. We'll pull out 3 zodiacs. Numbers, alphabets, okay. Let's see, numbers are 6, 6, 3, 9, 9, 8, 2, double 2. We have one more 6. The 6 and 9 look the similar, so maybe you are seeing a lot of 9s or 6s. You have 666 here. You have 2, 0 and 7. So these are the numbers for group 2 people. They may be your date of birth, something significant, the date you met, anything you can mix and match also, like 27, 31, 22. The numbers or alphabets are H, D, W, E, R, Y, one more W here, T, M, P, R, X, H and I. So these are the alphabets, group 2. And we have zodiacs. Here is Taurus. Let me show you. Taurus, Aries, we have Aquarius, here. Okay, these are the zodiacs for group 2 people. Thank you for the giving your time, and I'll see you in the next reading. Please do like, share and subscribe group 2. Bye for now. Hello and welcome back group 3. This is your reading, and we have the Aventurine, and this relates to your heart chakra. So maybe you are asked to take care of your heart chakra and wear something which is wear a crystal which is green in color, or maybe Aventurine you can wear. And let's see what your reading holds for you, group 3 people. Yes. Okay, first card out is 5 of Cups. Your person is feeling out in the cold. They are very sad. They are sad regarding the 6 of Pentacles. There is no equal give and take in your relationship maybe, and which is keeping them in 5 of Cups. That is, they can't see what is, they are just sad and they feel out in the cold, and they can't figure out, they are not able to do what's right and wrong. The Six of Pentacles is like energy of not knowing what to do. And you have Two of Cups, it is a divine connection. They feel that this is a divine connection. And we have the Emperor. This is the Emperor energy, shows that they want to be the whole in charge of this connection. They want to take up the energy of an Emperor. But Nine of Pentacles, right now you are very independent, and they want to be in the Emperor energy. Strength card, this connection gives them a lot of strength, which is Five of Swords here. Five of Swords energy, they are looking towards looking towards this love connection as if it's a battle for them. And we have the Ace of Wands. So your person has a lot of passion for you, surely, definitely, they have no doubt about it. A lot of fire energy here in this. Not there are a lot of cup energy. Maybe you have Nine of Pentacles and the Strength card, Leo energy, Emperor. They look towards you as an emperor. What they feel is you are a total. This can be both ways. You might be a male or a female, but they feel that you are in total control of your situation, and you are very independent person with the Emperor and the Nine of Pentacles. And they have to work a lot. Maybe they earn less, you earn more than them, and you are more stable than them. And that Six of Pentacles energy shows me that there is an imbalance between you both, but you both feel that this is a divine connection. Two of Cups tells me that, and they are fighting for it, but they are not fulfilled with this. What they are doing, they want to do more than what they are doing. And this is a strength as well as a defeat for them. This is both ways, like you are a strength for them, but they want to be equal to you. That is the thing which is bringing them to the Five of Cups. This person can't see that they have two cups behind them. Those are the two cups. What is these two cups and what you are providing to the relationship? But they think they are inadequate for you. You are the one who is very powerful in the relationship, more than them maybe, and that is the reason that they are feeling little left out behind you. And the Six of Cups, the Six of Pentacles energy is the same. There is no equal give and take in the relationship. What is which is what they are thinking too much about it. They definitely think you as their strength. They know you are stronger than them, and they want to be equal to you, and there's a lot of passion for you. And Two of Cups definitely shows that this connection is a strong love connection. Okay, let's see what else energies we can pull out. Messages from your person. These are my cards made by me, and see what are the messages from your person, what they want to tell group to group 3 people. What is the message from their person for group 3 people? I have never felt like this before. They have never felt like this before. They are really down in the dumps, thinking how will they make up for the lack they are feeling inside them. Maybe you have to pull them up, or we have to second card. I can't come forward right now. This is a lot of financial problems maybe in the connection. Their status, maybe you are at a higher level, So they want you to wait, and they are asking you to they want to tell you that right now they can't come, but definitely they would like to. Okay, we have two more cards. I just wish things were different. They wish things were different, and definitely this is energy with what they are going through. I dream of a second chance with you. Maybe they have lost this chance once and they want a second chance with you. Group 3 people, very intense reading. They are very sad, and I definitely feel the pain your person is feeling right now. They have a lot of passion. They want to come to forward. They want to be victorious. They want to show their strength, but something is holding them back. I dream of having children with you. They want to have a long term relationship with you. They have to have family with you. You were the best thing in my life. You were the best thing in my life. And this is past tense. That means they are regretting what all happened to your connection, whatever happened to your connection, and they want to make things right. Very intense reading, group 3. Okay, we'll say look at a few messages and advices for group 3 people. Okay, we have seek to enlarge your appreciations of the beauty of nature, animal, humans. Seek to enlarge your appreciation of the beauty of nature, animals, and humans. Whoever this is resonating with, so maybe very few of them, you are asked to be close to nature, animals, and humans. You are feeling out in the cold. The five of cups. You are feeling left out and not looking at the bigger picture. So you are asked to look at the beauty and appreciate it. Take responsibility for every thought and feeling. It can affect the whole universe. You have to take responsibility, or your person has to take responsibility. Okay, let's see what is the manifestation, magic of manifestation. Dragonfly, you bring light to this world. You bring light to this world. There's a message for someone here. You are the light to your person. Mystic star, harmony in the home and great friendship. Harmony in the home and great friendships. So these are the reading. We'll pull out few Whispers of the Love Oracle cards for group 3 people. Whispers of the Love Oracle cards for group 3 people. Okay. Be in the present and dream of the future. When we dream, everything is possible. Group 3 people, this is the card for you. Dream for the future. It is going to be beautiful. Be in the present. Enjoy whatever you have to go into the nature. Be with animals, humans. This is asking you to be in the presence and dream of the future. That's all what you can do right now. Take charge of the present situation. Focus on love. Look for the good in everyone. Release all the negativity or the bad you see in others, or maybe you become very negative and think that everyone is against you. No one is worth fighting for. No, you have to focus on love. Believe in yourself. Believe in love. Okay, let's see what is that you have to surrender. What do 3 people have to surrender regarding this situation? Surrender to the habit of people pleasing. Speak your needs and
Be true to yourself. Focus on your own happiness instead of always trying to make everyone else happy. I think you are trying to make others happy and sacrificing on this connection to make it right. Make everyone else happy and not yourself. You're not looking into your happiness. You're just looking into happiness of others, which you have to surrender. You can't please everyone. Unless you are happy inside, you can't make others happy. You must be thinking that that is the right thing, maybe not. Maybe you have to think a little more about yourself. Surrender frustration. There is some frustration regarding this. The first card out was Five of Cups, shows that frustrations are all over this place. Your person is feeling frustrated. Maybe you are guided to tell them to surrender to frustration. You are not going to get anywhere with this. Frustration doesn't open any door. The key to resolving the dilemma or dissolving a block is to take a breath, center yourself, and regroup so you may approach the situation more calmly. This is the advice for you and your person both, I guess. You have, rather than feeling defeated, rather than feeling the what's happened is happened, you have to look towards the Two of Cups which are lying ahead of you. This is a divine connection. You can't lose hope in this. You have to fight for your rights. So you have to fight for what is right. You can't keep on pleasing people around you. Group 3 people, this is a very intense reading. From the beginning I have been telling, the first two readings were very cheerful and happy readings, but this is definitely a love reading, but definitely it is a very intense reading, which I can feel that there is a lot of pain at both sides, and both of you are feeling but there is a strength. The connection is strong, but you are looking towards others for them to come forward and give you support, but you have to stand strong for yourself. Both of you have to stand for this connection. You just can't look for approval from the world. Okay, what is the activation? Power of activation telling satisfaction. You let the energy of love guide you to self approval so that others no longer define who you are. My God, this is exactly what I am saying. You can't have everyone's acceptance. You have to work. You have to know what's right for you, and maybe you can't. Everyone cannot have the same opinion about your connection or about you. They will always have a different opinion. They will always have differences. Everyone cannot have the same opinion. Some may approve, some may not approve. You have to be satisfaction. You have to satisfy your needs. You have to see into your needs. You have to self approve yourself. Look, you can't always look for others to approve. What you have gone through, only you know. Okay, we'll pull out one more card. Expression. You are ready to manifest your thoughts and transform them into act of love. You are ready. This is the power of activation. Power of love activation cards. Okay, group 3, this was your reading. Please do like, share and subscribe if you like my reading or this resonates with you. Till then, see you then. Bye bye. Take care.